Your TV is great, but what if it could do more? Meet the Roku Express 4K Plus streaming player. Compact in design yet packed with power, it transforms any screen into a smart streaming hub. With fast performance, a simple remote, and access to thousands of channels, it's everything you need for endless entertainment, all in one small device. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, setup, and safety precautions. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Roku Express 4K Plus streaming player, Roku voice remote, USB power cable, high-speed HDMI cable, and power adapter, and a quick start guide. Want to grab the Roku Express 4K Plus streaming player from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. Stream in HD, 4K, and HDR, enjoying sharp resolution and vibrant color optimized for your TV. From movies to live TV, every detail looks stunning, delivering smooth, lifelike entertainment at an incredible value. Sleek design won't block neighboring HDMI ports, so you can switch from streaming to gaming with ease. It even powers from your TV alone, plugging into the back and staying out of sight. No wall outlet, no extra cords, no clutter. Power on your TV, adjust the volume, and control your Roku device with one remote. Use your voice to quickly search, play entertainment, and more. Turn your TV into an entertainment hub with the Roku. Dive into Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Max, YouTube, and more, all in one place. And when you're done scrolling, explore thousands of free movies, shows, and live TV channels, all ready to stream instantly. Specifications. Setup. Find an HDMI input on your TV that supports HDCP 2.2 for 4K streaming. Plug one end of the premium HDMI cable into the TV and the other into your Roku Express. Connect the included power adapter to the Roku player and a wall outlet. Then, using your TV remote, switch the input or source to the HDMI port you used until you see the Roku logo on screen. Insert the included batteries into the remote. A flashing light shows it's ready to pair. If it doesn't pair automatically, hold the pairing button for 5 seconds until the light blinks. Choose your language, then connect to Wi-Fi by selecting your network and entering the password, or use an Ethernet cable for a wired connection. Wait for all checks to turn green. If you see a red X, visit go.roku.com. Your Roku Express will download the latest software and check for channel updates. Next, press OK to let it detect the best display type. If the text looks good, confirm the resolution. Follow on-screen prompts to sign in or create a Roku account. Set a PIN, and optionally add a payment method for easy rentals and subscriptions. Finally, pick your favorite channels. Roku will install them, and in minutes, you'll be ready to stream. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Roku Express 4K+. See you in the next one.